Hi guys, Christina here. I'm back with another video. So for today, I am actually super excited because it's been a while since I've done this type of video. We're gonna do an unboxing, like a real unboxing video, because I haven't really opened the package. So recently, David Jones had the sale happening. So it's 30% on designer. So I went ahead and ordered a bag, and I also went to the store like last week and got another bag. So I'm gonna show you guys two bags today. So this is the box. It's a huge box, but the item is not this big. Super big. Anyway, so let me just go ahead and just open the box here. There we go. Let me show you just so you can see how they package it. So there they put some of these plastic bubble stuff. I actually like these because I use them to stuff my bags. So I will keep these. Ooh, not bad, look at that. And then the other side as well, they put some. So these are like sealed air bags. So I can use those to stuff my bag. And this is the actual item. So it's in this box. This is all over the place. I am not a professional designer unboxing person, so just bear with me. Almost there. So for those of you guys who doesn't know David Jones, so David Jones is just like Nordstrom in the US, I would say. Yeah, so they sell a lot of those designer goods, so including bags, like clothing and everything else. So yeah, so I am actually super excited. So this item, so they had like what I've said, the reason why I went ahead and bought these items is because they're on sale. So 30% plus if you have the David Jones American Express card or membership card, you get an additional 10% off from your purchase. So that's why I went ahead and ordered this online. So this one I ordered online. The other bag that I'll show you in a bit, I went to the actual store and bought that one. So yeah. Alright, without further ado, let me show you guys. I've been talking a lot. So, ta-da! It's from the brand BOMBON. So, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but I think it's Balmain or something like that. But yeah, so they have pretty good stuff. So it came with the dust bag. And then, show you guys. Ta-da! Yep. It is a tote bag, you guys. So yeah, it's just a basic tote bag and it's in black. It's super basic, I know, but I don't have any black tote bag and I usually use tote bag for work. So I have been eyeing for one for a while now. I think months now, since last year. I couldn't find anything. For me, a tote bag, I mean, I use them for work every day, but I just don't want to spend that much when it comes to tote bag because it's just a tote bag for me. I mean, for me, it's just a tote bag and I wanted something that's in that, I would say, a price that I'm willing to pay for a tote bag. And finally, I found this on the sale. So this one, it is the Balmain Shopper 37 bag in Opal Noir color. This only has one size. And this one originally retails for $1,374 Australian dollars. That's in Australian dollars. And I got this for $961. So that is a ridiculous discount. So that's why I went with it. And this one is real leather. And it's a bit heavy actually. Not that heavy, but you can feel that it's real leather. So originally I was eyeing at the YSL one, but the thing is with the YSL, it retails at around 1,500 plus Australian dollars. And then looking at, I mean, just comparing the price and the functionality, basically it's the same functionality. It's a tote bag. It's just this one doesn't come with like a detachable, but in terms of functionality, it's just the same. And I think this one, the leather is more durable. It's not as prone to scratches than the YSL one, I think. Yeah, just with the, you know, by feeling it, I think I know. Yeah. Anyway, let me show you guys just close up look of the bag. In the front, it says Balmain, Paris. And then the strap is significantly thick. The back is just a plain black back. And then the bottom, that's how it looks. It doesn't have any, like, what do you call that? The feet. And then the inside, this is how it looks. It basically, it just it doesn't have any lining, that's the thing. So I'm planning to get like a bag organizer for the tote bag. I have one, I'll just try that if it will fit okay in this bag. I might just use that. If not, then I'll order another one for this. And then, so yeah, anyway, it has magnetic closure right here. There you go, and this one, and then so you can see the hardware is a bit like a vintage type of gold hardware in terms of the color. And then this is the pouch, but this one, it's attached, so you can't remove it, but you would still have some, what do you call that? Like at least a pouch where you can put some things that you want to fall out of the bag, or like a wallet or whatever. And it comes with some care cards right here, and then something for your cards right there. Yeah. I think the only thing that's a bit negative about this bag at this point that I've noticed is really the inside, because this material is really prone to dirt. But again, with extra care and using like an organizer inside the bag, I think that should avoid it from ruining the bag. So yeah, I think I am happy with the purchase. I got a ridiculous discount out of this bag, so I'm super happy. All right, so that's the tote. Now let me show you the other one. It's gonna be a review because I've been using this bag for 2 days now. I got this last week Saturday, and I'm just in love with the bag. I think because of the color, and I don't have anything from this brand yet, so this is my first. Yeah, so just quickly, I didn't really plan of getting this bag because I was really looking out for a tote bag, but I end up getting this first because I fell in love with it when I saw it. Plus, I got a really good deal for this bag. So yeah, let me show you. Ta-da! It is from the brand, oh, can you see it? Yeah, there. So it's from Chloe. And just quickly, let me show you. As you can see, it's a small bag. Ta-da! Isn't she pretty? I love the color. I just fell in love with the color. So this is the Chloe C mini leather bag, and this one, it is in, let me just double check the color. This one is in Motti Gray, that's what they call it. Anyway, I'll put the details down in the description box, but it's this really nice gray, and it's kind of like nudish gray in like the way I see it. Looks like nudie gray, so it just looks really nice with any outfit. I've worn this with gray, with I think with black, it would look really nice, especially with white. And then just wearing it with what I'm wearing at the moment, it's totally fine. Yeah, So I'll just show you guys up close how the bag looks. So this one, it retails for, just quickly on the price, this one it retails for $1,849, but I got it for $1,294.30. That was a really, really good deal. Huge discount. That's why when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, I really love it. Of course, I tried it and everything, and made sure like my phone would fit in the bag before I decide. So yeah. So just quickly, so this is how it looked in front. It has that C, and then this is the side. It has that hardware right here. And then over here, this is this other side. This is the back. There you go. And then this is, yeah, it doesn't have any like feet or anything. And then this is the handle. It looks really pretty with these details right here. And it says Chloe right there. And then if you open it, this is how it looks inside. This is the closure. And of course, it comes with the strap, of course. The reason why I bought this is because of the versatility. It has the strap, so you can wear this like 3 ways. Shoulder bag, you can wear it handheld, just holding it like this. And then, of course, crossbody. And with my frame, I am 5'2" in height. And this one just looks great. And for those who are a bit shorter than me or taller than me, you can still like adjust the straps. So yeah, there. And then let me show you the inside. Yeah, that's that. The gold is like this shiny like gold hardware, which I really love. There, the inside, it's like, again, it's the same color. It has lining and it has 1 card slot. And it has this, the code inside as well. So you can see that. There you go. I mean, you can use an organizer or anything. But for me, I don't usually use organizer for like smaller bags. I just make sure that whatever I put in the bag, it will not transfer any color. And usually with the bags that I buy, I don't, I don't know, like I just use them because I want to enjoy them. I mean, I'm still a bit careful, but not to the point wherein I'll end up not using the bag at all. Because the reason why I buy a bag is so that I can wear them and enjoy the bag. So yeah. So this one, and of course it comes with a care card right here. And yeah, so there you go, the card. And this thing, the tag is here. So the leather is calf leather and the lining is cotton, so just 100% cotton. And then calf leather, yeah. So that's that. Okay, before I show you guys the model shots, I'll just quickly, when I decide on a bag, usually the first thing I think about is, will my phone fit? So this one, my phone fits. This one is a iPhone X, the big one, the Plus. So it fits, see? Fits my phone. And then usually with small bag, I have my card wallet. So it fits there. And then my key card, my key case. There you go. And then usually I would just bring like a lipstick. There you go. And then my hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizers are a must nowadays. So there. So that's all. You can still squeeze something in, like a pen or something. But for me, usually these are the things I would bring with me when I go, say, out with friends or to the mall. Yeah. So those are the necessity. And then when I close it, it's like this. Just click. So it looks pretty nice and not overly like stuffed there. And the only thing that's a bit hard for this bag is the way that you open it, because there's this thing right here that you have to basically press and then it opens like that. Yeah, I mean, once you're used to it, it doesn't really bother you anymore. Yeah. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the model shots now. Alright guys, so for the Chloe bag, this is how it looks. You can wear as a shoulder bag, and then of course like a handheld bag like that. Yeah, that, but I would wear it like this and then just remove the strap. Actually, you can just also change the strap and maybe replace it with a chain. I think that would look great for a nighttime bag. All right, now for the Balmain tote. This is how it looks. It's a decent size. I would say it's like a medium tote bag. So you can just easily do that. I don't think this one will just slide from your shoulder. Yeah, that. Alright, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have questions, just let me know down in the description box. Other than that, you guys have a great day. Bye!